Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. This time we're demonstrating an AM radio out of a 1965 Mercury Comet. It is now an AM/FM radio with Bluetooth, USB, and a heck of a lot more output power since the customer requested a new harness in place of the original connectors, and he's also ordered my cool master input-output box, which has your left, right, front, and rear preamp outs, an unpowered subwoofer out, and that's your aux input right there. So that makes things a little more accessible. So let's go ahead and test her out. I've got it set to AM at the moment, to the one strong station I get, so we can demonstrate our balance and fader functions without stealing someone's music. So here we go to AM radio.
Other local musicians in a fundraising contest for North Latin Cares on Friday, April 4th. For ticket
I'm going to activate the front rear fader.
Prescott's Got Talent Jr. runs from 6 to 9 this Saturday at the Hendricks Theater on South Granite Street in Prescott. A red carpet event featuring host Kira Sotanovich starts at 5. Celebrity judges include actress Eileen Quinn from the movie Annie and Richie Palmer from Marvel Studios. For more information, visit PrescottConservatory.com.
Fader
There we go.
Arizona Concert Band
All the way
Spring
front.
Concert is 3 on Saturday,
Rear.
April 13th at Embry-Riddle
Front.
Aeronautical University's
Rear.
Davis Learning
Okay,
Center on Willow
center.
Creek Road in Prescott. That's your KQ&A Night Beat.
Fader set.
Okay, left-right balance.
KQ&A's Night Beat has been brought to you by Buc-ee's and Yavapai Casinos.
Balance adjust.
County, Brian Kilmeade here, inviting you to join me
Right.
for the Brian Kilmeade Show,
Left.
weekday morning, live from
Right.
6 till 9, right here on
Okay.
KQA. We'll talk about the day's news and the day's newsmakers in the
Balance set.
Okay, I got it.
way. The Brian
I
Kilmeade
got a
Show,
little bit off.
live
Let's try
weekday
that
morning
again.
from 6 to 9 on the
Balance adjust.
10:30 a.m., 95.5 and 99.9 FM, KQNA.
That's better.
Balance set.
Okay, balance set. Okay, let's make sure the
We're KQ&A.
Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so you heard that. Alrighty, let's make sure it plays music
Join Chris's newsletter
on a
The
USB
Wrong
stick.
Society at chrisdegaulle.com. I had a
.com and you can
Okay.
become one.
Okay, now we're going to move over to FM, which on this radio we do by turning the unit off, then right back on within about half a second. So here we go. Off, on. Okay, now we're on FM, and I have all 5 presets set to stations in my area for a quick test. Okay, and that takes care of that. Let's make sure the dial light comes on and off, and you can't see it, but I can. And so that's working too. So she's ready to go back to the customer. Now this customer will be coming here in person to pick his radio up, which is kind of a rare treat. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. You've just seen what I can do to your old AM radio. We can add FM, Bluetooth, USB, HD radio, and who knows what else by the time you're ready to send your radio in. To reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below, and please download and print a work order off the homepage of that website before calling me with a bunch of questions, because my work order has all my options, prices, and including options for turnaround time. It'll answer all your questions as you're filling it out, and then if you need to call me, which most people would like to call me just to get to know me a little bit and trust me, that's perfectly fine. But please do the research on my prices and options before calling me. After that, I'm happy to talk to you once you have a work order in your hand. So thanks so much for watching, listening, and thank you, Mark, for your business all the way from probably a mile or so away, and we'll see you next time.